Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can know who unfollowed you on Instagram. But before that, please do like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, go ahead, open up your Instagram app. Go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on your followers. Type a specific person's username. For example, let's say this is the one. And then go ahead, tap on their following. And if it shows your username on top, that means that person is following you. If it's not, that means that person has unfollowed you. Now, that's one way to check it. Next thing is simply going to your account, then tapping on three horizontal line on top right corner. Tap on account center, tap on your information and permission, tap on export your information. And make sure you add in your phone number and password once you have signed in. Make sure you choose the data, including following and followers. And once you have done that, you will receive a file. Unzip the file, use a web-based list comparison tool, such as compare to list, to compare your following list against your followers list. And that's how you will be able to know who has unfollowed you. That's how it works. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.